red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, neither alphabets and first letter A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, again use red color and draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. Kids, neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use yellow color. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for sugar, J for jackfruit. It's again use yellow color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use blue color. Blue color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids, again use blue color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. It's neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And use green color. Green color. W. W for wallet, W for watch. X. X for X-ray, X for telephone. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, neither alphabets. And first we draw A and use red color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. The alphabets of A. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, again use red color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God, G for glass. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. the alphabets of J and use yellow color. K. K for kite. K for king. L. L for lion. L for lemon. M. M for moon. M for mango. Kids again use yellow color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for krill. Kids neither R. R for rose. R for rice. The alphabets of R and use blue color. Blue color. S. S for sun. S for snake. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. V. V for van. V for vanilla. W. W for wallet. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. It's again use blue color and draw Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use green color. Green color. O and E1. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R W 3. 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H D 8. 9. N I N E 9. And 10. T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids neither alphabets. And first we draw A and use blue color. A for apple. A for airplane. B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids again use blue color and draw C. C for cat. C for car. D. D for dog. D for doll. E. E for egg. E for elephant. Kids neither numbers. And first either 1. The numbers of 1 and use yellow color. O and E1. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R W 3. Kids again use yellow color and draw 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids neither shapes. And first we draw square. The shape of square and use red color. Red color. It's not a circle. The shape of circle and hue is green color. Green color. It's not a triangle. The shape of triangle and hue is black color. Black color. It's not a heart. The shape of heart and hue is blue color. Blue color. It's illustrated Easter. The shape of Easter and hue is yellow color. Yellow color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.